Hi, good afternoon. This is Ben Lim. I'm from One Union Group, and today I would like to share with you how to post a advertisement or you want to post a listing on muda.com. All right. So we have a lot of the listing that you already received from the owner, and now the next step is you want to post your listing from the information that the owner provide to you, and you want to advertise on the muda.com. So let's do it. And right now we are in front of this screen, muda.com, and if let's say you may not register yet, and please go to register by yourself. And today I'm gonna share with you specifically only on how to do the advertisement, but the registration you need to I wouldn't talk about here. So let's do it. And I already logged in, and this is my ads. I can share with you how it final looks like. Alright, so here, this is I already left the credit balance, and you will see I already successfully enter to my dashboard, and below is the listing that I was post on the muda.com. So how to post a listing? I'm gonna show with you one listing that I need to advertisement, and click insert ads. I will share how to post rent. Actually, sales and rent is almost the same. It's just a different buttons only, and I would like to share with you for one listing for the rent. So at here, I click apartment and condo because I want to advertisement for my apartments. I will click rent. Actually, you can click sales if you have the credit amount is the same. So today I would like to just click standard. For this 46 credit, I don't think is a must, but if let's say you have a much more comfortable for your budget, then you may go for it. But for me, I wouldn't. I just go for the 11 credits. Continue. Alright, so it jump to the next step of the page at here. So the photo, if let's say you already prepare, like me, I already prepare all the photo at here. I just click select all the photos and I put it here. It's all upload on this platform. Another thing is I already prepare the information. I will temporarily put copy and paste at here first. I will gonna modify later, but I need to share with you tips regarding the photos. Okay, for advertise your photo, I have a tips would like to share with you is I much more prefer you select living hall rather than rooms or toilets. You may choose for your living hall or kitchens for covers photo. Why? If you choose room photo that are no any furniture, is not so interesting. So rather than that, I will choose the living hall. You see the good lighting, because the vivid colors and so on, it makes all photo interesting and attractive to your clients or audience to see your advertisement. And why I say kitchens, example that you get a listing that is bare unit and there's no anything at all in the house. So I will try to see whether the kitchen is it interesting, or most of all is living hall or kitchens is more interesting things to show to the audience. because what I saw or my experience that the photo of the toilets or just a simple rooms, there's no any attractive, but this is a special case. You see the laminate floor, it looks interesting, but anyhow I will choose my living hall for my cover photo. Next, just now you see my, this is the condominium. I need to advertisement Ketumbar Height condominium. You see Ketumbar Height in condominium Cheras Kuala Lumpur. I click this. It automatically help me to fill it up. If let's say no, you may click. If let's say the condo that you can't search on here, if let's say like the, I don't know, maybe, okay, can't find your properties when you click it. If let's say the property are not, can't search on the muda.com, then you need to fill it by yourself, and almost the way is the same. But today I just click the condo that I have in muda.com. This is a medium floor, 3 room, 2 bathroom, and what is the size is. Okay, at here I would like to give you another tips. If let's say your condo, if let's say your property is a condominium or apartment or a office space, then you may write about your build up. If let's say your property is land property or a short lot or land, you may write out your land area. Why? It's because the land area is for landed property, the land area is the most important for the audience to see. If let's say they want to know about the property size, or compared with the, if let's say you have the listing is which is landed property, if you write about build up, it's not a point that the client want to know. The client want to know is how big of the land area they're going to purchase. If let's say you are a condominium, the condominium there's only have the information which is a build up. So you just take the build up size and just write on your property size. So the example 755. So I just write at here. Alright, so this is the partial finish. Okay, so I already prepared the information at here. Ketumbar Heights. I can now move in anytime, and then interest, please call Ben. My handphone numbers. Okay, 1000. Okay. At here, what is the title I should write? Okay, before that I write the title, the title on this muda.com. I need to share with you what muda or what agent, what audience gonna type to attract the audience come. I mean, what is the, why we need to think twice, or we need to take some time to think how to write a good title. It's not about the title that attract us. Actually, it's about the keywords. It's about the keyword that attract audience. So if let's say you want to write a good property, actually I don't think it's a good property or what they call a big house or something like that. You may write, but it just a bonus to show the tenants the selling point of this property. But you may put some keywords that the audience we're gonna search for your priority. Example, yeah. This property is Ketumbar Heights condominiums. Okay, but you need to be aware that the words you are only left 70s word in a one short sentence. So For me, I won't write condominium, I would write condo, because most of the audience on Muda.com that I search, they are more search on condo instead of the condominiums. So Ketumbar Heights condominiums, then I can put in front, because these mostly they will gonna search Ketumbar Heights. If audience click Ketumbar Heights condo, it will show my listing. So therefore, I click this for my headline. Next, I will click partial furnish, because most of the tenant are some tenant are looking for furnish or full furnish. We need to write about, and then I will write trust. Some audience, they want to click on the search bar. I need to show you what is the search bar means. Okay, have you seen this? This is the search bar that I'm talking about. If let's say trust, so this is the keyword that we show from to here. Property that only in Cheras, who are click in Cheras. Of course, I didn't pick it specifically. If let's say I pick it exactly, it will show. Have you seen Cheras? We try to as much exposure as possible, so we try our best to show up. So therefore, we need to click Cheras here. We need to write Cheras here to try our best to show the listing that we post as possible. So Ketumbar Heights partial furnished Cheras. And after that, this keyword we already typed, then we need to show what is the next 25 words. Yeah, 25 words left. What we can write. So we can write about renovated and clean conditions. We can put commas and comma. So this is, and left one is going to 70. So almost done. This is the headline already done. Renovated and clean. We need to according this photo to show the keywords, because some audience are looking for renovated unit, clean unit. So this is a keyword to show them. Partial furnish, Ketumbar Heights condo. There's a one keyword also. Cheras area. Okay, this is all keywords, and then we write all the information there. 1001, and remember you need to click allow buyer to contact you through WhatsApp. If not, you didn't click anything, you just click submit now. How audience gonna contact you, right? Although you are writing numbers here, yes, this is a secure by yourself, but when you click this, the tenants can through WhatsApp and contact with you directly, right? So click submit, and we're done. All right. Thanks for your posting on Muda, and then we need to wait the email. You will receive an email that they will congratulate you that your listing already published on the Muda.com. It takes about 1 and 2 hours. All right. So just enjoy. So any questions you may ask for me or any one of the leaders or pre-leader or any agent that they are experienced or Muda, you can ask anyone in a one union team and enjoy. If let's say you are not understand, keep learning, keep asking, enjoy for your day.